नमस्कार, मैं हूं राज ठाकुर आपके साथ। आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज 18 पंजाब हरियाणा हिमाचल। पंजाब के सीएम कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर रहे हैं, पत्रकारों के साथ भी इस दौरान जुड़ेंगे। क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं सुनते हैं जरा।
और पहला पूछण तो पहला मैं अपने एमएलए ने पूछा क्या तुसी प्रशांत किशोर जी को चाहते हो या नहीं, और उन्होंने 55 आउट ऑफ 80 ने मैंने कहा कि हाँ जी असं चाहते हैं। सो वो मेजोरिटी चाहते थे। फिर मैं उन्होंने कहा कि तुसी आई आस्क्ड माय प्रेसिडेंट बिकॉज मेरी ड्यूटी आई कांट टेक दिस डिसीजन ऑन माय ओन, सो आई आस्क्ड द कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट सोनिया जी ने कि तुसी इसनूं मैं लेना चाहता है। सो उन्होंने इन्ना कहा कि मैं ये फैसला थोड़े से छड्ड मेरे, तो मैं उस तो बाद इन्होंने इन्फॉर्म किया। क्वाइट हैप्पी टू कम एंड टेक अस। आज जी गल आई है कि नवजोत सिद्धू नूं लैके जा रहे हैं आम दे विच, कहने दिस आई नेवर इवन सेड एनीथिंग, देयर नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनीथिंग बीइंग सेड। इन फैक्ट ही सेड यू कैन मेक इट क्लियर फ्रॉम माय साइड दैट आई नेवर इवन अटेम्प्टेड दिस थिंग और इवन टॉक्ड अबाउट इट। तो ये गल्लां जिहड़ियां ने कई कई लिख जाते हैं लोग, बस फिर वो कहानी बन जाती है।
दूजे सवाल का तुम एक सवाल का अपने आप ही जवाब देते अगे होना जी थानू। एक मेरा है जी, तुम वैसे पहला जो शुरू से अनाउंसमेंट कुछ की सी कि मेरी ये लास्ट टर्म है, फिर उस बाद तुम कहा नहीं मैं अजे कंटिन्यू करांगा। हुण तुसीं वैसे असीं चाहुंदे नहीं तुसीं मतलब छड्डो जां जावो जां रिटायर हो, पर की तुसीं हुण यही है कि कंटिन्यू जी नैक्सट जी 2022 की इलैक्शन है तुसीं लीड करोगे, और कदे कदे इरादा तो नहीं, कदे इस तरह की विचार तो नहीं आया कि एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स को कोई पासे होना?
कौन लीड करूंगा नहीं करूंगा वो कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट फैसला करेगा, लेकिन ऑन द इशू ऑफ माय स्टैंडिंग यस आई विल स्टैंड अगेन। मैं क्या सी शुरू कि मैं दोबारा नहीं लड़ांगा, उसके बाद बड़े मेरे साथियों ने कहा कि तुम ये गल कर रहे हो, फिर मैं क्लैरिटी कर दी थी, मैंने कहा साल हो गया कि नहीं मैं इलेक्शन शुरू करूंगा। सो द सिचुएशन से और कोई चेंज नहीं।
मेहरबानी, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
अरविंद छाबड़ा, बीबीसी। अरविंद छाबड़ा,
CM साहब, can you hear me? Okay. So my question is, we have spoken to an expert, Brahma Mukherjee, who's quite an expert on epidemics, and from the University of Michigan. Brahma Mukherjee, who's quite an expert on epidemics from the University of Michigan. The expert has appreciated the Punjab numbers. At the same time, the word of caution saying कि even एक केस भी जो आंदा है पंजाब दे विच उहदे नाल सुपर स्प्रेडर इफेक्ट हो सकता। Now we are calling in labour, Punjab is calling in labour, Punjab is opening malls as well. इतनी सारी मूवमेंट जदों होएगी ਤਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ will ensure the safety of ordinary Punjabi?
देखो गाली है हुण भी पिछले जब यार L5 और तो समथिंग रॉन्ग सॉरी मेरी वो आवाज कट रही थी। हुण आ रही है थानू आवाज? आई हियरिंग मी?
yes sir, it's fine.
Yes, we can hear.
अच्छा, so you can hear me now? Chabra ji, you can hear me?
You sir, I can hear. I can hear you.
Now can you ask me the question?
Yeah.
Somebody's got the mic on.
Shall I ask?
Arvind, please ask the question again.
Ji, I was saying कि Brahma Mukherjee, there is one expert on epidemics in University of Michigan. Brahma Mukherjee has appreciated the numbers of Punjab when we talk of coronavirus, COVID cases. But at the same time, there's a word of caution that even one case can have a super spreader effect in Punjab. Now when we are calling in migrant labor, when we are opening malls, so how do we ensure the safety of ordinary Punjabi? This is my question.
Well, let me tell you that first let's start with the Punjabi. We had about 4,000 in the last, and ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਸੜਕਾਂ by car ਆਏ ਨੇ, ਕੋਈ by air ਆਏ ਨੇ, ਕੋਈ by train ਆਏ ਨੇ. We are trying to check at every point that where people do enter, they are checked for the normal thermal checking, and if they are found to be perfectly normal from that angle, then they are put in quarantine, and they are being looked into quarantine by medical under supervision. They not कोई symptom है, then of course they go to quarantine thing. So we are trying to do our best. As far as labor is concerned, I think labor situation is going to improve because people have been trying to come back now to Punjab after having once gone home, and but our industry is doing quite well. So it indicates, I think out of 256,000 units, about 20,000 units haven't opened. The rest have opened, and we have about I think 15 lakh labor which has come into these 2 lakh and 30 something thousand units which are open. So it's a good sign. We don't have a shortage, but more are wanting to come back. I think they've been home, they feel more secure now, and they want to come back. So when they come back, we look after them from that angle. And also the employers, we have told them that they must make a regular check, maintain everything, social distancing, etc. And anyone showing symptoms will immediately have to go for medical checkup. Now, as far as the other question about its growth and all, look, now this is, your guess is as good as mine. Nobody can predict how it's growing. Look at the way it's going all over the West and Europe and America and England and Canada and all over the place. In our case, Punjab so far has controlled it to some extent. Unfortunately, which we have to be very wary of this, is some people come in, don't want tests, go home, and then we have to start tracing them. And that there's a lot of manpower involved. In fact, I have figures here which show that in this tracing business, it's identify that 23,000 people had contacts in Punjab, out of which 23,990 have been tested, out of which 575 have been positive. Now you imagine that if we didn't do this tracing, this 575, how many they will spread ahead? So this is the sad part which is happening. People are not being responsible enough. I think everyone should understand that this is in their interest, in the interest of society as a whole and our state as a whole. And whenever they come, stop the car, just get your thermal thing done, and they note you down, and then if you have to be contained, you are contained while 14 days are over. But at least you will be safe, and so will the state be safe. As far as this is, when is it going to peak, when is it not going to peak, God knows. I know this much, that if the variation is there, our own people think it may go up to June. Some people think it may, John Hopkins are saying September, so it could be June, July, August, September, God knows. But we have to be on our toes always. And I don't think this is something that's going to finish soon. This is going to continue even beyond then. And look at China having its second epidemic at the moment. They finished one lot and they started again. So this is something, till they come to know medicine. For me, my job is this, to keep my state as safe as possible till such time as some vaccine and all is produced and we can do mass vaccination of our people and prevent them from this happening. That is it. Otherwise, there is no other cure. Otherwise, you or I get it, we are only given kerosene to eat. That's all. There's nothing, or stay in bed or stay isolated. There's nothing else.
Next question, Bhaskar, Sukhbir Bajwa.
जी कपिल सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल जी।
हाँ जी की हाल। अच्छा तो मेरे दो क्वेश्चन है। एक तो है कि ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ आवाज आ रही सर, आवाज आ रही है,
आवाज आ रही है थोड़ी, पर तस्वीर नहीं दिख रही थोड़ी टाइम। मैं देख रहा हूँ, पूछ रहे हैं कि हो रहा है
सर। वो
अच्छा चलो सवाल
पूछ लो।
जी 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 वो नाम मेरा सुखबीर है ना, उतो गायब ही हो गया कितने। ਤੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਸਰ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਰ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਸਮਾਲ ਸਕੇਲ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਰਿਵਾਈਵਲ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਚਲੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਵਾਈਵਲ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਪੇਸਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਮਾਲ ਸਕੇਲ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਵਾਈਵਲ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਸਟੇਟ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਗਰ सेंटर के पैकेज का नाम तैयार करी तो 20 लाख करोड़ चाहे जो मर्जी कही जाना पे अपनी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का जोड़ा की चल रहा है। दूसरी गल सर ये है कि दूसरा नाल ही सप्लीमेंटरी सवाल ना कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू की जो आम चर्चा चली जाती है पहले बड़ी पूछा कि वो दोबारा इतने मंत्रिमंडल क्या मंत्रिमंडल कोई प्रस्ताव मोड़िया दोबारा पुनर्गठन कितने कर रहे हो?
Therefore, Navjot Singh Sidhu is very much part of our party. He is in touch with our leadership in Delhi, and he is also very much part of our party. तो ये गल कहनी कि वो तो मैं तुहानू दस रहा सी कि मैं सवेरे ही पढ़दा हुंदा कि मैं कल की क्या है मैं तो आप कहना मैं कुछ नहीं बस तुसीं लिखी जाते हो। तो एज फार एज ये कहना कि प्रशांत किशोर ने नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को अप्रोच किया कि आपको लेके जाना है Absolutely, Prashant said, I've never said anything that this will ever happen. कोई ऐसी गल ही नहीं हुई. So these things, unfortunately, confusion create करती हैं. But as far as Navjot is it, as far as दूसरा तुसी कह रहे हो, देखो साडी major, we have workers in the micro and very small industry, and that is a lot of. Let me give you the figures of the workers. जेडी below, I mean very small, roughly 1,20,000, 12 lakh workers are working in that. And then we've got workers that are 10 to 50, 25 and then 75,000 workers are working there. And above 25 workers are sirf 27,000 workers nahi padi factory vich. So basically it is small and micro. And that is why main gal jad ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ 20 ਲੱਖ ਕਰੋੜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ हिंदुस्तान ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੰਡ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨੂੰ we want nothing but money for these small workers and our industry to restart ਸਾਡੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਮਾਲ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਪੈਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਕੁਝ and they have the ability to raise money ਇਹ ਛੋਟੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਣਗੇ ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਡੂਇੰਗ ਆਰ ਬੈਸਟ ਅੰਡਰ ਆਰ ਸਰਕਮਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਰਕ ਕਰੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੇਲੀ 400 ਟ੍ਰੇਨਾਂ ਭੇਜਤੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੇਜੀਆਂ ਨੇ 75 ਕਰੋੜ ਰੁਪਈਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਇਆ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ 'ਚ ਫੂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣਾ ਕੁੱਕ ਫੂਡ ਦੇਣੇ ਉਹ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲ ਆਰ ਡੂਇੰਗ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ 1 ਰੁਪਈਆ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਦਿਓ ਇੰਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਛੋਟੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਲਾ ਸਕੀਏ ਬਟ ਦੇਰ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ no answer from that.
Okay.
Next question, Dainik Jagran, Inderpreet Singh. Inderpreet.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ
ਹੈਲੋ ਸਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨੇ APMC ਐਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੰਸ਼ੋਧਨ ਕਰਤਾ ਔਰ ਕੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੰਸ਼ੋਧਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ
टेक्निकल टीम को बुलाना
ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਐਗਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਨਾਟ ਇਨ ਐਗਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਐਟ ਆਲ ਮੈਂ ਐਗਰੀਕਲਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਐਗਰੀਕਲਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਦ ਆਪ ਖੇਤੀਬਾੜੀ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ
बुलाना
from
जल्दी
1985 to 86 I was also agriculture minister of the state ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਖੇਤੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਚੌਲ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਚੌਲ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਦੇ ਕਦੇ ਖੀਰ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲ ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਨੋਬਡੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਰਾਈਸ ਈਟਿੰਗ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਦ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ MSP ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਮੰਡੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਦਾ ਖਰੀਦ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਇੱਕਦਮ 2 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹੀ ਚੌਲ ਲਾਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਸੋ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੇਰ ਆਰ ਸਰਟਨ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਡ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹੈ ਰਫਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ 45% ਦਾ ਫੂਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਫॉर ਫੂਡ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆੜਤੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਆੜਤੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਔਰ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸਾਡੀ ਮੰਡੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਖਰੀਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। MSP ਵੀ ਹੈ ਬੀਨ ਡਨ, MSP ਕਰਕੇ ਕਣਕ ਔਰ ਝੋਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਦੇਅਰਫੋਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਆਰਡੀਨੈਂਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਇਜ਼ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਇਟ। ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਸੋ ਅਗੇਨ, ਲੈਟ ਮੀ ਟੈਲ ਯੂ, ਵਾਇਓਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ एग्रीकल्चर स्टेट सब्जेक्ट सर। जैसे पहले भी मैं किया सी होर गल्लां ते कि देयर आर इंक्रोचमेंट, जैसे हुण असीं बोरो कर रहे हैं, तो साडी बोरोइंग है फ्रॉम 3% एंड अराउंड 5%, लेकिन उससे सानू दसदा कि व्हाट यू शुड यूज, सो व्हाई आर यू गोइंग टू टेल अस व्हाट टू डू? वी आर बोरोइंग, इट इज आवर मनी, वी आर गोइंग टू रीपे, देयरफॉर इट इज आवर बिजनेस। So you are encroaching on all the federal structures of the creation of this country, which was giving the state more power. ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਆਈ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਹਿਮਤ ਨਹੀਂ, ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਅਪੋਜ਼ ਇਟ, ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਨ ਦਿਸ।
थैंक सर, थैंक यू जी।
इंद्रप्रीत, इस इशू पे सीएम साहब की अभी स्टेटमेंट, एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट भी इशू हो रही है।
ओके सर, ओके जी।
नवनीत शर्मा, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स।
Captain sir, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Nandit ji, very vaguely, but where are you? I can't hear you.
Hello sir.
चलो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਓ, then I will put your picture up.
Sir, what the banner?
No, I can't hear you, Nandit ji.
Hello sir. Sir.
Very,
Please repeat.
Hello. Yeah. So what do you have to say about the manner in which the centre went about these ordinances without consulting the state government, sir?
That is why I am saying that it's our federal structure, and federal structure means powers to the states. And if you want to amend anything, then you take us into consideration. You listen to what we have to say. Call me, call all the major food producing states and take our views. But to suddenly take a decision and force it on you, I don't accept. And I don't accept not because it's been forced on me, because it's been forced on Punjab, and it is going to damage my state. It will damage my... If there's no MSP, how is our farmer going to know what he's going to own? God knows where it's going to go below. Today, look at cotton. You have the cotton corporation. This year your prices have been good, but last year they were not good. Year before last they were terrible. So nobody will know they're going to get out of these things. So therefore, this structure, this thing should be, we should have a consultation with the states concerned and then come to a conclusion. Don't force it on us. There is this state, this country has a structure. It's called federalism in it. And federalism means that the states have certain powers. You have gradually been dissolving these powers. And we are left with nothing now. We can't take a decision where we use our money when we borrow it. We can't take a decision how our crop should be sold and purchased and what price we should give them. So what are we left with, governments? Nothing to do here, just sit around and give press conferences. That's all that seems to be left.
Sir, one small addition supplementary to that. They are talking about free, farmer can go and sell anywhere. So what about the taxes that the state gets from selling on these procurement? So what kind of impact do you see? What kind of impact do you see?
I see a situation that now take the Mandi board. Mandi board gets a certain amount of money. Whatever comes into the Mandi, a certain percentage goes to them. Where is that used? For my link roads, for doing rural development, for doing these sort of works and all. Then we won't have link roads left. Where are we going to get the money? PWD can't do it. PWD barely has money to look after the state highways and all, and state requirements. All your Mandi boards, all your connected with the agriculture sector is what we use the money that is taken from the produce that comes from Mandi. Now you mean to say go and sell anyway. That means if the prices are very good in Punjab, then you will have people coming from Madhya Pradesh and from Maharashtra and on to Punjab to sell. What happens to my farmer? I don't think this is a good system at all. I think we have a system which has worked successfully for 60 years. Why are you demolishing it? What are you getting by demolishing this?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Next question.
Thanks for that.
Next question, Kanchan, Indian Express.
Hello, Captain sir.
Hello, Kanchan.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Just my question
I
is
hear
that
you.
ICMR has.
Sorry?
My question is that ICMR had done some sampling to check whether there is a community spread of COVID in Punjab. So have we got the report from them as of now?
ICMR?
ICMR, they had done some sampling from districts in Punjab to check whether there is a community spread of COVID in the state.
No, that is, every day we get a report on this. This is a fact. Initially, we got the initial entry into Punjab was when the people came from our overseas, about 1,43,000 through Amritsar, Mohali and Delhi, and they came. That was the initial impact. Then we got from Nizamuddin a spike. People came from outside. Then we got from Nanded, the spike came from there. So those are the spikes came initially. Then we were worried about this. This is what I've just been talking about, tracing people. People have not reported in and have gone home. And then it takes us a long time tracing people. In the meantime, 490 or something have been found to be positive of the people who we traced and who they further met. Now our latest thing is, as of today I can tell you that there have been cases of Lake in Amritsar, new cases of 7, these are community cases. Then one new case which has come in Buxar from elsewhere. All positive care contact cases from Ludhiana which have come. One new case from the jail inmate, this is a group, but a police officer got it. Then 2 contacts again, outside contacts, and then Jalandhar again 4 outside contacts. So that is a sort of a spread in the community. And that is why I am very concerned about this factor that people are coming and taking things lightly and not getting themselves checked at the border, checkpoints, wherever they are, and they go home and they start meeting people. And this is how it happened in here. One lady who came to Chandigarh in the first in the initial stages. How many people did she infect? And same thing is happening in the beginning. It happened in Delhi also. So people don't realize the implications of what they are doing. I hope they will now, and the more you write about it, all of you write about it, the more they will be able to see that they must maintain what we are suggesting them. The doctors are suggesting. I am not suggesting them. We have a team working. We've had a community medicine one, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, who was head of community medicine in PGI. We have Dr. Raj Bahadur, our Vice Chancellor. We have Dr. Talwar, the famous, he used to be director of PGI. That's the team working, which tells you exactly what you can do and what you can't do. And one of the things is, please get yourself checked. And if there's the slightest symptom, you must take the necessary precautions. Otherwise, apart from your own health, you are damaging the health of the state and your own people, your own family members and others. So this is my worry on this. I think that's what we wanted, Kanchan.
But I have another question. That is the direct benefit of this thing to the farmers, the subsidy wala, the power subsidy, the direct benefit transfer. Is that off now completely? Because the cabinet has earlier decided that they will be doing that, putting the bills on putting the bills to the farmers, the power bills.
Well, there are lots of things. The power subsidy already we are doing so much now. Made a reduction in domestic rates, but that is costing us. So whatever domestic rates we are giving to people by reducing in the lowest consumer, I think there are 52,000 consumers who are the lowest category, and then the second category we are cutting there also. But then we have to compensate the electricity board. We have to give them that much money, and how are they going to use it? Do you know during this lockdown how much the electricity board was losing? 30 crores a day. Now they don't have that sort of resource, and we don't have that much type of resource to try and help them out. But yes,